Using objects. We want to be using objects in our Excel. Using objects, go to Insert tab. Insert to use shape. Go to shapes. We want oval shape. We want arrow shape, and different category there. You want equation shape. You want flow chart shape. Whatever you want. Let me say I want this basic shape, smiley. Something like this. And give it a color. And give it something about it. Nice. Then I want the outline. Because how to use shape, use picture. If you have a picture that you want to use in the application, you go to inside, go to your picture, you to link to where you save your picture in your computer. Then you go to your picture, wherever you keep it, scroll down, allow this, I select, and it appear here. I can control it. You see there is a note at the edge. Notes of this corner are notes. So you can click mouse on it, the arrow changes to this two-head arrow. You click and drag it down, or depending on you, move it to where you want. Right. Then we want smart path. Place the cursor here. Inside. Here we smart hat. Smart hat. We use it so inside graphics, virtual communication. Click on it. I want something like process. A process like this. Okay. This guy I can control it like this. I drag it, I move it off. This process. Now I can add my text. Double click to add text. Call to wait 3 respond. Alright, that's an example of using smart hat. You can change the color here. Change the color here. And change the size here. How do you use smart hat? Call wait respond. Now we need table. Listen. A spreadsheet is not a table. A spreadsheet is not a table. To draw a table here, to go here. To create a table. This table, that's add this as a header. Where is the table data for the table? Here, click OK, undo. Want it to be here, and we want to create a table. To drag this like this, just highlight, create, insert. So this is your table, it has a header, click OK. Let's say you want the name of this table is SN. SN. Next one is name. Next one is age. Next one is third. Next one is address. That's how to create a table inside the spreadsheet. It's a table. That's a boundary. That's a boundary. So that's how to create a table.